So the fate of the free world, eh? Nearly. Don't talk to him! God! Don't talk to the pilot!
So what's the trim change when you sweep it?
It's very dramatically rolls faster in swept wing.
What about pitch change?
And not a great deal. It's
Is it on the throttle or?
no.
You do it manually?
Flaps, yeah.
Flaps?
Yeah, well the flap switch. Yeah. So intermediate 3 position. So because otherwise it's a bit dramatic. So that's mid position, yeah. And then that's full.
But it doesn't change the pitch then?
Not particularly, but I mean you've got to keep your thumb on the controller. What does happen though is if you turn, the turns with the wings out are quite relaxing, but the turns with the wings swept are very dramatic, and I ended up smacking it in a couple of times, which is a couple of new noses. So it's more than 2 mistakes high in swept wing, but it's got a lot of energy in swept wing.
Is that a pusher prop or?
Yeah. It's a 2700 5x5.
And is this a sheet Depron thing?
Yep, this is another sheet of Depron.
Standing.
Yeah, another sheet of Depron. I can't remember the name of the guy, but there's a couple of different ones. This one uses a single servo to 9-gram servo to do the change. See, so you know, once it's like that, it's more of a high alpha aeroplane that you can sort of do lots of stuff with.
That's quite impressive, isn't it?
Bamboo, and because I don't tend to use carbon fibre because I find it a bit expensive for the type of models I build. So bamboo and foam and tape and varnish, because varnish makes Depron very strong over the top of ordinary acrylic paint. Oop, yep. I think you're telling me it's time. Yeah, basically just like a crab, you know, the strength is on the outside, not on the inside.
That is outstanding.
That's quite impressive. I love the wing. I love it. I do love that wing.
So it sweeps back a bit further once the aerodynamic forces push it a bit. But it's just it's a servo in the centre that you can't get at once you've built it. But it's a big disc, and all it does is rotate the disc, and the disc pushes pushes the little wing parts out.
It's really coming on, isn't it? This Depron stuff, isn't it? Look at that. I wonder if you could do that on the